Good morning my dear students, welcome back to Maths class. So this is the class for the new chapter number 9, that is some applications of trigonometry. Okay, so this is a continuation for the chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. So already I explained full and fully what is trigonometry and how we are all using that trigonometry and what is the importance of the topic from your higher studies, everything I explained you. Okay, yes. Now this chapter is easy chapter. We have only one exercise. Okay, only one exercise. We don't have a optional exercise like that also. Okay, we have only one exercise and all the questions are very simple manner. When you know the trigonometric ratios table, tan sin theta to cot theta, 0 degree to 90 degree, you know very well mean it is a very simple topic to you. Okay, and before that I want to recall your topic for introduction to trigonometry. Yes, okay. In the introduction of trigonometry, the chapter number 8, you prepared in the first exercise in a right angle triangle. We need to take the three sides also. What are the three sides? Hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? Longest side of a right angle triangle and the opposite to right angle. Then opposite side and adjacent side. So the three sides we need to find and to find the remaining trigonometric ratios. The second exercise we are prepared in that trigonometric ratios of some angles. Some angles mean that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So this and all you are prepared in your second exercise. And third exercise you have a deleted portion, you don't want to do anything. Then fourth exercise is a very important topic you are using in your higher studies also by using that trigonometric identities. Okay, now this is a new chapter which is some applications of trigonometry. Some applications of trigonometry mean see, we want to apply the trigonometric ratios in the normal life. Okay, how we are all using that. It is very simple, student. We have two things are very important. So the first one is angle of elevation and second one is angle of depression. Angle of depression. So the two things only. So these two things only we are using the whole chapter. Whole chapter means the chapter has only one exercise. No, that's it. Okay, yes student. Now see, angle of elevation mean you know that this is a horizontal line. What is that? Horizontal line. So in that horizontal line we are going to take some line of sight. Line of sight means we are going to see something. Okay, yeah. So if I am going to see that one picture or one object, to take that angle like this, theta. So this one is called angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. For example, see, you are standing on the ground and you are looking in some other building top and tower. You want to see in the top of the tower. Okay, and you want to see some other hills. So these and all you are seeing like that. No, that is an angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Okay, so I am giving you that definition. I am reading. Listen carefully. Look at the figure. You have one. What is that? This is one lighthouse like that. No. So you are seeing. You are standing in the place of E. And you are looking on the top of that lighthouse or this ship. Line of sight, that is called angle of elevation. So in that figure, the line AC drawn from the eye of a student of the top of the minor is called a line of sight. So the student is looking on the top of the minor. The angle BAC so formed. BAC means that is BAC. So the angle is to be formed. Okay, the line of sight with the horizontal is called the angle of elevation of the top of the mind, from the eye of a student. It is very simple, student. Listen carefully. The line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of observer. Eye of the observer of the top of the point in the object viewed by the observer. Viewed by the observer. So that is called the angle of elevation. So the angle of elevation of the point viewed in the angle formed by the line's sight with the horizontal when the point being viewed in the angle formed that horizontal level. Horizontal level. It is the angle of elevation. In simple word, okay, நம்ம ஒரு இடத்துல நிக்கிறோம், we are seeing some object. It is on the top something. கொஞ்சம் உயரத்துல ஏதாவது ஒன்று பார்க்குறோம். So that is only angle of elevation. Okay, in the horizontal level. Have you got it, children? Okay. So for example, already I told you. Yes. Now, angle of depression means, see, this is a horizontal line. What is that? Horizontal line. So in that horizontal line, we are going to take the angle in a opposite direction, which is an example for you are sitting or standing on the top of the building and you are observe something, some object in below that top foot of the land, ground, மேலேருந்து கீழே பார்க்குறீங்கப்பா. So that is the important, easiest angle of depression, depressed. Okay, va? Yes. So how we form the angle of depression means, see, this is a horizontal line. This is a horizontal line. Now the line of sight I am going to do like this. Okay. So this angle is called angle of depression. This is only line of sight. So this theta is called angle of depression. Okay, so take your book, you have a figure 9.2. See, simple horizontal level. One student is looking on the object kite. Okay, the kite is flying on the place. So a student is looking in the kite in the angle. Okay, it is one example for angle of elevation. And the next angle of depression means, see, in the horizontal level, in the top of the building, one student looking that object, and the object is ball, it is on the ground. Okay, so the angle is reduced, it is depressed on the ground. So that theta is called angle of depression. That's all. Okay, so the angle of depression, the definition I am giving, listen pa. So the angle of depression of the point on the object being viewed in the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal line, when the point is below the horizontal level, below the horizontal level, that is angle of depression. Above the horizontal level, it is angle of elevation. That's all. So these two things only we are going to see that in the chapter full and fully, angle of depression and angle of elevation. So using this angle of depression and angle of elevation, we are going to find some other height of the building. Okay, and this here main thing we are going to see height and distance. Height and distance. Okay, so in right angle triangle, see, so this is one right angle triangle mean, see, this is height. Okay, why? Because of the right angled triangle, right angled at B. So this is your height, this is your height, and this is your distance from the 2 points. This is your distance. So these two only maximum we are going to see that in the whole chapter. Okay, have you got it, children? Okay, now we are going to see some different and interesting questions in a life related question. So this chapter full and fully we are going to see that which is situational problems. Okay, yes. Have you got it, children? What is I am giving you in that applications of trigonometry? It is a very, very easy topic. Yes? Okay. Now the first question I am going to teach you. So, and before that I want to give you the short intro of the, short steps of procedure to do the sums in the chapter. Okay, it is very simple. One paragraph is given, one situation is given. So from the situation, we need to form the right angle triangle. We need to form the right angle triangle and mention what are the given measurements. Mention what are the given measurements. Okay, so from the given measurement, we need to find height and distance. So in that chapter, full and fully maximum, we are going to use sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. So these three things only. So in the three also, maximum number of times, maximum, very maximum number of times, we are using some angle only. Some means see 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. So these only we are going to use the maximum number of questions in that exercise. Okay, yes. So sin 30 degree, already you know what is the sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. And sin 45 degree is the value of what? 1 by root 2. And sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. And cos theta is the reverse of this. So root 3 by 2 comes to cos 30. Sin 30 and sin 60 and cos 30 on both also we have the same value. And cos 45, sin 45 on both also you have the same value 1 by root 2. And sin 30 then cos 60 on both also you have a same value, that is 1 by 2. Then tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1 and tan 60 is root 3. So this table only we are going to use the maximum number of times in the whole chapter. Okay, yes students, you need to prepare you need to prepare all the things of the trigonometric ratios, but the main thing this 6 values, 9 values only in the trigonometric table. Okay, yes. So I am going to give you the first question, example 1. Example 1. A tower stands vertically on the ground. From a point on the ground which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. So the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is to be found 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. It is very simple students. A tower. So this is a tower. So this tower stands vertically on the ground. So this is a ground. Okay. Yes students. Okay. Now we want to take a point from a point on the ground which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. Okay, so the angle of the elevation, already I told you, angle of elevation means we want to see keelanthu mela paakrom one object. So the tower oda top na paakren. So we want to take like this. So this is a theta. So that theta is how much degree? 60 degree. 60 degree. Now find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Yes student. Now I am going to give you the name, that is A, B, C. Okay. Yes. Now BC be the height of tower. So the denotions are easy. Without denotion, we are some of the students getting some collapse. That's why I am giving you BC be the height of the tower, and AB be the distance from a point to foot of the tower. From a point to foot of the tower. Okay. Yes. Now what we are going to find? The height of the tower. Yes students. So here we are going to use the three ratios only, sin, cos, tan, already I told you. Okay, so for which question, which ratios I am going to use, mean it is very simple. What are the given part we want to judge? So see, what is the given part? This is a adjacent side, and what we are going to find, height of the tower. So the height of the tower is opposite side. So when you have a opposite side and adjacent side, we need to take what theta? Tan theta or cot theta. But basic thing, tan theta itself you take. You don't want to take the reciprocal. Okay, so take a tan theta, angle tan theta. Okay, so in right triangle ABC, so in the right triangle only we are going to use a trigonometric ratio. That's why I explained that. Okay, in right triangle ABC, I am going to take tan theta, which is equal to, opposite side divided by adjacent side. Here opposite side is BC, whole divided by adjacent side is AB. Now I am going to substitute the given values. Theta, it is given, angle of elevation is given 60 degree. So tan 60 degree, which is equal to BC, means you don't know, that's only height of the tower. BC is the height of the tower. That's only we are going to find. And next, AB, you have a distance from a point to the foot of the tower, which is 15 meter. So already you know the value of tan 60 degree. What is tan 60 degree? Root 3. Okay. Now root 3, which is equal to h by 15. Finally, I need only h, height. So height, which is equal to that, divide number 15, want to shift to that opposite side to get multiply. So height, which is equal to 15 root 3 meter. And some of the places the question is the root 3 value is some other places given. Root 3 equal to 1.732. In your 9th syllabus you prepared, students, what are the values of root 3 means 1.732 and root 2 means 1.414. So these and all you prepared in your 9th syllabus. Okay, so what is the height of the tower? 15 root 3 meter. Okay, have we got it, children? So the next question, in the exercise question number 1, that is also you have the same pattern of the example 1. Okay, yes. Now a circus artist is climbing a 20 meter long pole, 20 meter long rope, which is tightly stitched and tied from the top of the vertical pole. Okay, so one pole is there. Okay, yes. So from the pole you have a tie in that rope. That rope length also it is given. What is the length of the rope is given? 20 meter. Okay, yes. Now see, one rope I am going to tie like this to get this shape. Yes, student. So a circus artist is climbing a 20 meter long rope. So this is only the rope. So that length of rope is 20 meter, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole on the ground. So this is a vertical pole. Okay, or kuchi. Yes, pa. So find the height of the pole. So that height only we are going to find if the angle made by the rope to the ground level is 30 degree. Yes, okay. Now listen, student, it is very simple question. So a circus artist has a length of rope 20 meter is tightly tied to that long pole like this. Okay, so kuchi nikka vechittu adula oru kaiyira iluthu kattirukanga. That's all, very simple word. Okay, now we are going to find the height of the vertical pole. So I am going to give you the name ABC. So the right angle at B. Okay, now let AB be the height of the vertical pole. height of the vertical pole, and AC be the length of the rope. Length of the rope. Okay, now what you are going to find? That is vertical pole, height of the vertical pole, you know. Yes. Now what are the things you have? Means the angle of elevation theta you have, and one more thing, the height of the, length of the rope is going to consider to take a what? A hypotenuse, because longest side of a right angle triangle is what? A hypotenuse only, no? Yes. Now in right triangle ACB, right triangle ACB. Okay, so in that right triangle ABC, we are going to take what theta pa? So here you have a hypotenuse, and here you need to find the opposite side. When opposite side and hypotenuse connected by that which ratio? Sin theta, that's all. Okay, so sin theta, which is equal to, you have a opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Now you have a opposite side is AB, and hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse AC. Now you need to take a theta, angle is 30 degree. So sin 30 equal to AB, already you have what? Take H, height of the long pole, and AC, the length of the rope, already you have, that is 20. That is 20. Now sin 30, do you know the value of sin 30 pa? What is that? Look at the table, 1 by 2 va? Okay, now I am going to substitute. Yes, okay. Now 1 by 2, which is equal to H by 20. Now I am going to take a cross multiplication. 2H, which is equal to 20, and H is equal to 10 meter. H is equal to 10 meter. So therefore the final answer you should write the height of long pole. So the height of the vertical pole or long pole is how much? 10 meter. Okay, have you got it, children? Okay, and the next question we are going to take that second question in the example. Okay, and after we have to move in that exercise problem. Yes, students. Yeah. Now take the example 2. That is also, you have a simple question pa. Okay. Yes. An electrician. Example 2. An electrician has to repair an electrical fault on the pole of height 5 meter. She need to reach a point 1.3 meter below the top of the pole to undertake the repair work. Okay. Yes. See the figure. So what should be the length of the ladder when she should use which when inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal? So would enable her to reach the required position? They are asking the question. Also, how far from the foot of the pole should she placed on the top of the ladder? Okay. Yes. So this is a electric pole. Okay. Yes. Here we have one point. That point is A. So here we have to fix, and we need to take another point B. So, and the foot of the place is going to take one ladder. Yes. Yeah. So the angle, it should be 60 degree. Now this is angle C, and this is the point D. Now the angle D is a right angle. Angle D is a right angle. Okay. Now the measurements of what are they given? See, an electrician has to repair a electrical fault on the pole of height 5 meter. Height 5 meter. So here the total height is 5 meter. The total height is 5 meter. But here we need to take this distance in that, here only we are going to place on the ladder. So in that ladder வைக்கிறோம். Okay, so இப்படி ஒரு electrical pole இருக்குன்னா கரெக்டா அந்த இடத்துல கொண்டு போய் வைக்க முடியாது. It's not like that. So the distance here is 1.3 meter. 1.3 meter. Okay, now and one more thing, the 60 degree is given. Now what we want to find mean, see the foot of the ladder from the foot of the electric pole. So this only we are going to find. Okay, yes. So from the diagram, the electrician required to reach the point B. So for that, given, what are they given? And before that, if you need, write the take. Okay, take mean what pa? So let AD be the height of the electric pole. Height of the electric pole. Yes, student. Okay, and the angle is theta is equal to 60 degree, and CD is the distance between on their foots. Foots mean what are they? Foot of the electric pole and foot of the ladder. Okay, so that's only we are going to find. How far from the foot of the pole should she placed on the foot of the ladder? Okay, student. Yes. Now it is very simple. So first you have a given. What are they given? Tell me. The total height of the pole AB, which is equal to 5 meter, and the ladder is going to placed at the point is B. So the distance between AB, which is equal to 1.3 meter. Now I am going to take the value of BD. Value of BD. So BD, which is equal to the total height of the pole, which one is subtracted by the placed point. So AD minus what is AB. So what will come? AD is a 5 meter minus 1.3 means BD, which is equal to what will come? 3.7 meter. 3.7 meter. So here we need to take a height of the ladder and as well as this also. Why sir you are calculating the height of the ladder mean? So this only, see the BC is the height of the ladder. So எப்படி அத கரெக்ட்டா நம்ம சாஞ்சு வைக்க முடியும் லேடர் அப்படிங்கிறது தான். Okay, yes. Now first see, so this one you have, that is a 3.7 meter. Okay, so here opposite sides have, and I am going to find that hypotenuse to take a what sin theta. So in right triangle BCD, right triangle BCD. So here I am going to take sin theta, which is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side is BD and hypotenuse is BC. Okay, now you have a value of theta is 60 degree. Now sin 60 degree, which is equal to BD is 3.7 whole divided by BC, you don't know pa. Okay, so do you know the value of sin 60? So look at the table and say what is that? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 equal to 3.7 by BC. Now I am going to take a cross multiplication. Root 3 BC, which is equal to 3.7 into 2, it will come 7.4. 7.4. So BC only I need means 7.4 by root 3. Now to take a rationalizing the factor, to take a root 3 on both numerator and denominator and to multiply to get 7.4 root 3 by 3. Okay, so you need to multiply. Now you have a, see in given question itself they are given, use root 3 equal to 1.73. Okay, so 7.4 into 1.73 whole divided by 3. Finally the answer you are going to get it 4.28 meter. 4.28 meter. So this is a length of the ladder. So what is the length of the ladder should be placed? 4.28 meter. Now I am going to take a distance between their foots. Their foots mean what are they? Foot of the ladder and foot of the electric pole. Okay, so for that it is very simple to take a cot or tan, anything you have to take. Now I am taking tan theta. So the same triangle, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So what is your opposite side? 3.7 by, first write that word also. What is opposite side? BD divided by adjacent side is CD. Okay, now tan how much degree pa? The same angle of elevation only we have, that is 60 degree. Angle of elevation is 60 degree, which is equal to BD. You have what? 3.7. So 3.7 divided by CD. So the CD only we are going to find now. So tan 60 degree, it's a very simple what? Root 3. What is the value of tan 60? Root 3. Now root 3, which is equal to 3.7 whole divided by CD. Now I am going to take a cross multiplication. CD, which is equal to 3.7 root 3. 3.7 root 3. So for that I am going to take a multiplication of 3.7 into 1.73 to get the value of CD, which is equal to 2.14. Multiply and get the answer 2.14 meter. Okay, have you got it, children? Is it easy or not? When you understand the given question, it is a very easiest portion to learn yourself. Okay, student? Yes. And the next question. So the next question, question number 2 in that exercise, that is also the same pattern of the previous one. Okay, I am reading the question. Listen carefully, all of you. Yes, students. Okay. Now see, a tree breaks due to the storm and broken the pot, bends so that the top of the tree touches on the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. Okay, see, one tree is like that. Okay, so it is broken by wind. Okay, அதாவது சூறாவளி சொல்லும்ல துஷ்டம் அதில் அந்த காற்றடிக்கும்போது உடஞ்சி இது மாதிரி விழுந்துருச்சு. So that top it is makes an angle 30 degree. Okay, from with it. So the distance between the foot of the tree with the point and where the top of the touches on the ground is what? Top of the touches, the top touches like this only. Okay, so this is your broken pot. This is your broken pot. Okay, so see, A, B, C, D. So you have to give the name like that. And the foot of the tree touches on the top of the top of the tree. The distance between them is 8 meter. So the distance between them is 8 meter. Okay, so find the height of the tree. Find the height of the tree. See, ஒரு மரம் உடஞ்சி கீழே விழுந்துருச்சு. ஸோ இப்படி மரம் இருக்குன்னா உடஞ்சி இப்படி விழுந்துருச்சு. ஸோ தட் broken pot touches the bottom like this. So we need to find that value of AB and adding to value of AB and adding to value of BC. So that is the actual height of the tree. AC be the actual height of tree. That's only we are going to find. And the angle of elevation, which is 30 degree. Okay, now CD is the distance between, what is that? Distance between that foot of the tree where the point top of the touches on the ground. Okay, foot of the tree. Foot of the tree. Foot of the tree where the top touches on ground. So that's all, students. Okay, it is a very simple task to find. So first take in right triangle BDC. Right triangle BDC. So in the right triangle BDC you have a angle is 30 degree. 30 degree. So which theta, which ratio you are going to take now? Do you know, students? Yes, it is very simple to take, see, this is what is the name of the side? What is the name of the side? This is a adjacent side. So this is angle. So this only opposite side. So first we should find the opposite side. Okay, to take a sin theta. So sin 30, which is equal to opposite side divided by tan theta take first. Okay, because you don't know that also, no. Yes, always take anything, it's not a problem. If you need sin theta, sin, take it. Sin 30 degree, which is equal to is no sin theta we can't take. Why? Because of you don't have a hypotenuse and as well as the adjacent side also, so opposite sides also. You have only the adjacent side. Okay, so from that we need to take a tan theta. So tan theta, which is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Okay, so in the triangle BAD, you have opposite side is BC divided by adjacent side is CD. Adjacent side is CD. Now substitute the value of the angle theta, which is equal to 30 degree. So tan 30 degree, which is equal to BC, you don't know. So take simply BC. And CD, the distance between the foot of the tree where the top of the tree touches on the ground, that is 8 meter. Okay, and tan 30 degree already you know what? 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3, which is equal to BC by 8. Now I am going to take a cross multiplication like this to get, or otherwise simply BC only I need. So the divide 8 want to move the opposite side, it will come multiply 8. So 8 by root 3 meter. Here you don't want to substitute the value of root 3, 1.73. Why? Because of the not giving the question itself. Okay, it is unnecessary work for us. Okay, yes student. And the next here BC I find pa. Okay, and the next what I am going to find? BD. Why? Because of that BD is the broken part of the tree. Broken part of the tree. Okay, so for that, if you want to find, if you want to take a sin theta or cos theta, that is your wish, whichever you have to take. Why? Because of already you taken the value of BC upon. Okay, so no problem in it. Okay, in the same triangle. In right triangle BDC, now I am going to take sin 30, which is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Now what is your opposite side? BC whole divided by adjacent, hypotenuse is BD. Hypotenuse is BD. Now you have a sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, which is equal to BC, you have 8 by root 3. So the whole divided by what you have? BD you don't know the value. So simply you should write BD. Now the denominator, below the denominator, it's moved like this, which is equal to 1 by 2 equal to 8 by root 3 BD. Now I am going to take a cross multiplication like this. BD, which is equal to 8 2s are 16 by root 3 meter. Now what is the value of BD? 16 root 3 meter. Yes student? Okay. Now I am going to take a height of the tree. Height of the tree. So height of the actual height of the tree is AC. So AC we are going to calculate what? AB. And one more thing here, AB and BD are both also same. Why? Because of the broken part only touches on the ground like that. Okay, so AC, which is equal to what? AB plus what? BC. Now AB mean it is simple. What is AB? BD also. So BD plus BC. So BD you have the value of 16 by root 3 plus BC you have 8 by root 3. So on both fraction also you have the same denominator, which is 24 by root 3. 24 by root 3. So for that I am going to take a conjugate factor of that. What will come? Multiply and divide by root 3. It will come 24 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. What will come down? Square root will be cancelled. So 3 only coming. So 1 3s are 3, 8 3s are 24. Now the actual height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. What is the actual height of the tree? 8 root 3 meter. It is a 3-mark question. So listen carefully all of you. So first you should find that BC and AB and BD on both also same. Why? Because the broken part only it touches on the ground. So on both also it will come the same value. So here you need to find BC and BD. Finally we can add on both to get the actual height of the tree. Okay students. And the next question is question number 3 students. So listen carefully, it is very easiest question. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. So for the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers have the slide put the top of the height is 1.5 meter. Okay, yes. The question is 3 below 5 years. Okay, so here the contractor has to plan to build that like this 1.5 meter height of the slide, which is the angle of inclination is, which is the angle of elevation and angle of inclination are both also same. So angle of elevation is 30 degree. So here I am going to give the name for ABC. Okay. Yes. Now whereas for the elder children mean above 5 years. So above 5 years the contractor has to plan to like this slide. It makes an angle 60 degree and the height of 3 meter. Okay, so this is the name of PQR, or otherwise give your name like this. Give your wish like that, DEF or LMN, anything. Okay, yes. So the 2 slides the contractor has to plan to build. So see what should be the length of the slide in each cases. Okay, so again I am reading the question, listen carefully. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. Okay, so for the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers they have the slide whose the top of the height is 1.5 meter and the angle of inclined at the angle how much? 30 degree. Okay, so whereas for the elder children mean above 5 years, she want to prefer have the slide at the height of 3 meter at the inclined of angle of 60 degree on the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each cases? So slide means this only we are going to find on both also. So here we need to find the length of AC and there we need to find the length of PR. Okay, so in right triangle CAB. So here I am going to calculate that length of AC by using what theta, sine or cos or tan, tell me. So this is opposite side of this is a right angle like this. Okay, yes. So opposite to angle 30 degree, it is a opposite side and this is your hypotenuse. Now I am going to find the length of hypotenuse. So opposite sides having no, simply you have to take sine theta. So sine theta equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side is BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. Now what is the angle? Theta, 30. So sin 30 degree which is equal to BC is 1.5 and AC you don't know. That's only you are going to find now. So sin 30 already you know what? 1 by 2 va. So 1 by 2 which is equal to 1.5 by AC. Now I am going to take a cross multiplication to find AC which is equal to 3 meter. AC which is equal to 3 meter. That's all. This is for younger children. Now I am going to take a elder children above 5 years. Okay. So in right triangle RPQ. So for that I am going to take here also the same thing sin theta. Okay. Sin theta or cos theta you are wish. Sin theta only no. Yes. Sin theta only correct. So sin theta which is equal to opposite side is QR divided by hypotenuse is PR. Now you know the value of angle is 60 degree. Angle is 60 degree. Now sin 60 degree which is equal to the length of QR is 3 meter whole divided by PR. Whole divided by PR. And the sin 60 degree already you have root 3 by 2. Okay. Now root 3 by 2 which is equal to 3 by PR. Now I need the value of PR. So to take a cross multiplication, root 3 PR which is equal to 6, I need only PR mean 6 by root 3. 6 by root 3. Now I am going to take a cross multiplication, I mean conjugate which is a rationalizing the factor. What is your rationalizing the factor? Is root 3 apa? Okay. Now 6 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Now 6 root 3 whole divided by root 3 into root 3, what will come? 3 only, no? Yes. So 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So 2 root 3 meter is the length of the slide PR. Which one is used by elder children? What type of children? Elder children which is above 5 years. Okay? Have you got your children? So the 2 slides length also they are asking. That's how we are find. And the next question. Then the next question student, question number 4. It is a very easiest question. So the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a foot of the tower. See, from the top of the tower from a point on the ground is which is 30 meter away from a foot of the tower is 30 degree. Okay, so find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. It is a very simple question. Okay, so see, now this is a tower. It's like, otherwise take that side also, that view, opposite view also take, that's your wish. Okay, which is makes an angle 30 degree and 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. So this is a, see, this is a tower. So give the name first, ABC, right angle at C. Okay, otherwise ABC, your wish, anything you have to give, A, B, then C. So here BC be the height of the tower, BC be the height of the tower. Okay, now I am going to take one point A which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, from the foot of the tower. Okay, so this is the foot of the tower, point B apa. So from B we want to take one point which is 30 meter away. Now we need to find the height of the tower. Height of the tower. So in that we need to take a, what we are going to find? Opposite side, that's only height. But we know that what is this? What is this? We need to find that opposite side, and this one is the adjacent side. So combine the two, sin and cos, you have a tan theta. Okay. So in triangle, I mean right triangle. Okay, that's also right, not a problem. In right triangle CAB, here I am going to take tan theta which is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So here BC whole divided by AB, and I I have a value of theta is 30 above. So the tan 30 which is equal to, you have BC is height of the tower. So h by 30, okay, and you have the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 which is equal to h by 30. Now I am going to take a cross multiplication to take root 3 h equal to 30. So h equal to 30 by root 3. So here I am going to take a rationalizing the factor in the denominator of root 3. So to get 30 into root 3 which is equal to 30 root 3 whole divided by root 3 into root 3, what will come? 3. So 1 3s are 3, 10 3s are 30. Now the height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. Height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. Have you got it, children? Very simple only. Okay. And the last question we are going to see in this class, in this session, question number 5. Okay. That is also very easy. 2 mark only. A kite is flying at the height of 60 meter above the ground level. The string is attached to the kite is temporarily tied to the point on the ground. So the inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. No slack means okay, it's tightly. Yes, student. Okay. Now see, I am going to give you that one triangle like this. See, so the kite is flying here, A, B, C. So this is at 90 degree. So see, so the kite is flying 60 meter away from the ground level. From the ground level. So the string is attached to the kite like this, which is temporarily tied in that one point on the ground. So the inclination of the angle of the string to the ground is 30 degree. 60 degree. 60 degree. Now find the length of the string. So length of the string means this only we are going to find. Okay. Now AB be the length of string. If you need to take write this like this, no problem. And AC be the height of kite from the ground level. Okay. Now given you have AC which is equal to 60 meter. AC equal to 60 meter. Now I am going to find the length of the string and the kite length number. Okay. So in right triangle ABC, in names whichever you have to give, it is you are convenient, ABC, PQR, anything you are wish. OAB like that. Okay. Yes. Now in triangle, right triangle ABC, we need to take, this is opposite side up, and this is a hypotenuse. That's only we are going to find. So for that I am going to take sin theta. Sin theta which is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side is AC divided by hypotenuse is AB. Now sin how much degree is given? 60 degree. Okay. So sin 60 degree which is equal to, you have AC is 60 divided by AB. Okay. Do you know the value of sin 60? What? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Now root 3 by 2 which is equal to 60 by AB. Now I am going to take a cross multiplication. Root 3 AB equal to 62 is 120. 62 is 120. Okay. Now I need only AB which is equal to 120 by root 3. So for that also I am going to take a rationalizing the factor. So multiply by root 3 on both numerator and denominator to get the answer. 120 root 3 whole divided by 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3 only, no? Yes. Now 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. So 40. So 40 root 3 meter is the length of the string. Length of the string. Okay. Have you got it, children? I hope you all are enjoyed this class. Why? Because of this all question we have a situational problems only. Already we are using that kite and we are looking on that tower and some other buildings like that. So this is based on normal life problems. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed this class, and you need to prepare all the sums in that exercise. In all the sum means all the questions, what are the problems we are completed in the session. In example, we are completed the 2 questions, no, and exercise first 5 problems we are completed in the session. Okay, so all the question you should write, you should practice. Okay, and one more thing is very important, student. In the chapter you need to write the definition, angle of elevation and angle of depression. These 2 only enough, and slightly you have to come to that example question and exercise question. So each question you should write in the classroom note. Without question it is full and fully meaningless. We can't do anything. Okay, so for this exercise, for this unit, you should write the question by using black or blue, that is your wish. Okay, but you should write this question. Okay, yes student. Yes students, complete your class of note and prepare yourself, and we'll meet in the next class. Thank you students.